Zhengzhou Gofine Machine Equipment Company Limited, located in Zhengzhou West Development Zone, is a large-scale fertilizer equipment manufacturer and supplier, integrating the scientific research, production, sales, import and export services. Our company has 6 standardized heavy-duty industrial workshops and more than 100 sets large and medium-sized metal processing, riveting and assembly equipment, which provides a strong guarantee for the machine product quality and enterprise development. Gofine staff regards the scientific and technological research and development as the vitality of the company. Gofine takes quality first, customers supreme as its mission. Gofine's spirit is honesty, precision, efficiency, and pragmatism to develop environmental technology and create a better life as the tenet. We provide users with one-stop, high-quality services, such as projects planning, remote design of technology process flow, design and manufacture standard and non-standard equipment, complete equipment installation and commissioning services, and make customized made suitable equipment assembly solutions for customers. Perfect testing equipment and thoughtful after-sales service completely solve the worries of customers. With the diligent working attitude from the workers and staffs, paying attention to every production detail, thus forming the indestructible fortress for Gofine in the strong brand strategy. Treat customers with honesty, create business with integrity, has been deeply rooted in the hearts of every Gofine person. Gofine are willing to cooperate with all the new and cooperated customers to create a glorious future together. Warmly welcome the customers from all over the world to discuss and build our business relationships.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.